Ever tried to drop into Fortnite only to be met with a frustrating error message, leaving you wondering, "This Fortnite down again," that feeling of missing out on the action or failing to connect with your squad is the worst, but don't worry. We're going to dive deep into exactly how you can check the server status today and get you back in the game, or at least understand why you can't. All right, first things first, if you're hitting that can't connect screen, your absolute best bet is to go straight to the source. Epic Games, they have a dedicated Fortnite server status page, which is usually the quickest way to get official updates on any major outages or maintenance. Plus, don't forget their official Fortnite status Twitter account. They are super quick to tweet out any widespread issues. They're often before the status page, even updates. So hit up those two spots for the most accurate info straight from the developers. Now, sometimes the official channels can be a little slow, especially for emerging issues. That's when you tap into the power of the community. Websites like Down the Tector are fantastic because they rely on user reports, giving you a real-time pulse on whether other players are experiencing problems too. Also, a quick search for Fortnite down or Fortnite status on Twitter can show you if a lot of other people are ranting about the same problem. A pretty strong indicator that it's not just you. Just remember, these are community reports, so take them with a grain of salt, but they're great for a quick sense check. Okay, so you've confirmed that Fortnite servers are down. The most important thing here is patience. Usually these issues are resolved pretty quickly. There's not much you can do on your end if it's a server-side problem, so avoid repeatedly restarting your game or router unless you've already ruled out a local internet issue. Grab a snack, watch some YouTube like this video, and keep an eye on those official status updates. They'll let us know when it's safe to drop back in. So why does Fortnite go down sometimes? Well, the most common reason is planned maintenance or a big new update rolling out. Epic needs to take the servers offline to implement new content, but fixes or performance improvements, which usually happens during off-peak hours. Less commonly, but still possible, are unexpected issues like server overloads due to massive player spikes or critical bugs that require an immediate shutdown to fix. It's all part of keeping a massive game like Fortnite running smoothly for millions.